Ang EMB Memorandum Circular 2025-002 ay isang amendment po sa Memorandum Circular 2020-29. Ang EMB Memorandum Circular 2020-29 ay ito po yung rules in the conduct of online training for PCOs and managing heads. So basically, yung online training po dati, 2020 rules, ay inamend ng EMB Memorandum Circular 2025-002 that the primary mode of training is face-to-face. Sabi dito sa Section 1, Modes of Training, all EMB recognized pollution control officer training organizations or institutions shall primarily conduct PCO and managing head trainings face-to-face. However, in the event of unforeseen circumstances such as typhoons, natural disasters, or other force majeure events, an organization or institution may conduct the entire training through online modality, provided that the EMB central office is duly notified with copy furnished to the regional office and documentary proof of the unforeseen circumstance is submitted. So, ang kalagayan ngayon ay wala nang nag-o-offer ng online training in observance with the Memorandum Circular 2025-002 na primarily ang trainings for PCOs and managing heads ay face-to-face session. At mayroong pagbanggit kung alin lang yung maaring payagan at unforeseen circumstance iyon, gaya ng typhoon, natural disaster, and other force majeure events. At ang totoo, base sa memorandum, kailangan din na ninonotify ng training institution or organization ang EMB Central Office, copy furnish pa ang EMB Regional Office. Notification ng pag-conduct online at syempre yung documentary proof of the unforeseen circumstance. Kailangan ma-submit yon dahil ang sinasabi sa section 3, all trainings conducted in violation of this circular shall be deemed invalid and shall not be used for purposes of PCO accreditation. So kapag naghahanap ka ngayon ng training at umattend ka sa isang training institution na online yung session, mai-invalid yung training mo for the purpose of PCO accreditation. Siguro kung may online training, ah naisip ng management magkaroon ng continuing professional education not to be used for PCO accreditation, hindi sakop nitong Memorandum Circular 2025-002. Pero kung yung Certificate of Training ay gagamitin for PCO accreditation at ginawa yung online ang training, hindi maaari. Sabi yan dyan sa Section 3, Effect of Non-Compliance. All training conducted in violation of the circular shall be deemed invalid and shall not be used for purposes of PCO accreditation. So, final um, remarks dito, ang EMB Memorandum Circular 2025-002 shall be observed by the training institution or organization to primarily conduct PCO and managing and trainings face-to-face. So yun lamang po at I hope hindi masayang ang ating energy, ang ating resources at time dahil tayo ay tatalima dito sa Memorandum Circular 2025-002 face-to-face training for PCOs and managing heads.